Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome to my channel. Well, today I'm going to talk about my 5 pips trading with all of you, right? So look at the results going to flow behind me over here, all right? So am I here to showing off my 5 pips trading result? No, all right? So I'm just trying to tell you what are the concepts. Today I'm going to share with you. First thing first, in order to have a 5 pips trading, you must get the concept correctly, okay? So of course, you have seen my previous video talking about my 5 pips concept, okay? That's a way, the concept number 1, I use it as a way to build my confidence for the knowledges I have and the skill I acquired. So I concrete my knowledges and my skills, so that is a concept. So I use 5 pips trading to confirm that, okay? So number 2, so I use this 5 pips trading to acquire a fast profit for myself is because I want the profit value to become dollar value in my pot, okay? So this way I can grow my pot to a bigger pot so that I can go to the next level where I can have a bigger lot size. That means I will have the same 5 pips but more money. Am I right? Okay. So you see, in all these concepts here, okay, and of course, we also need to know why we want a 5 pips trading. It's because market changes very fast. So I want to capture that very moment where the market is selling off. So I want to join in the big boys and capture some profit. As I'm a retail trader, I do not know what they are going to do. So that is why I want to have a 5 pips trading, enter accurately and exit as fast as possible before I go wipe out, okay? So that is one way. That's one of the concepts that I have in my mind when I'm doing my 5 pips trading, okay? So again, the next concept that I want to share with you is that this 5 pips trading, I want to have a security. I want to have a security of my trade. So each time when we go into any investment market, the disclaimer always comes in like, you know, investment involves risk. So I want to reduce the risk. So we know in Forex market, the movement is so fast, okay? It's easy to get the 5 pips. So one way to reduce the risk is to reduce my greed. Okay, so I want to reduce my greed at the same time to reduce my risk by taking 5 pips. So that's one of the concepts. And that will actually help me greatly to curb my greed here, alright? Okay, so next is talking about investment. So in investment, again, alright, we are always looking for something very stable stream of income. Am I right? So I want to have a stable stream of income. So I plan how am I going to plan out my trade daily, okay? And I look out for potential trades, potential currency that can give me 5 pips of profit each day, so that I can build it up, and it become a financial planning. You see? All right. So next thing, when we are going to have a 5 pips trading, of course, it's not just by open up your PC, you know, power up it and start to click to get a 5 pips. No, we need to have a planning. So every day I'm sharing in my YouTube channel from GMT plus 8 between 13 hours to 13:30. I will be going online to share, and because that's for myself as well, to share something. What am I sharing? I'm sharing my Forex trade planning, all right? Forex trade planning is very important. It's because we can call it as trade setup. It's because this is very important. It will give me a direction. It will help me to pick up the potential currency pairs. And I'm a seller. Everybody know I only short the market. Am I right? Okay, so now when I want to short the market, I make sure I pick up the potential currency pairs. So during that half an hour, okay, I will go live in YouTube to pick up the pairs, and I always look out for the correct currency pairs before I take action. Okay, so that's one. So after picking up the currency pairs, okay, and I also need to identify the trend. As example, if I identify some currency pairs, for example, like euro dollar is going for a bull market, I will not enter any trade for selling. Even there's a retracement for 5 pips or 50 pips or 30 pips, I will still not go for that particular currency pairs. I will only look for bear trend. Okay, I will look for a currency that is actually going for bear trend. And looking for bear trend, and that is one trick that I will start to pick up the currency pairs and get ready for my 5 pips trading. Okay, alright, so next, after picking up the currency pairs in the bear market, what do I look out for? Alright, so the next thing that I'm going to look out for is to look out for a resistance. Okay, I will always look out for a resistance. Alright, I know everybody is looking out for a resistance, support in this forex market trading. Alright, yes, support and resistance is only a guide. So we will not have a specific point or a specific price that is the resistance and that is the support. Am I right? It's always an area, it's always a range. So you must be able to identify the range of the resistance. So that range of resistance will always be my target. So I will, once I pick up the currency pairs, I have identified the trend, then within the cherry pick currency pairs and the trend, then I will start to look out for where is the resistance. And then from there, I will start to see, okay, I will wait patiently, I will just wait patiently, all right, at the resistance, the entry of the resistance there. Okay, so in this way, then I will be able to make it in the way that I want to enter at this point. Okay, so I wouldn't want to enter at the support. Even it's rushing down, okay, I will not chase a trade. Okay, definitely I won't chase a trade. Okay, all right. So in this case, all right, after I identify that, once I have identified the resistance, like I say, I wait patiently. So next, what am I going to do? All right, make sure your lot size is accordance to your pot. Okay, do not trade too big of a lot size just to make up the value. All right, no, we are not supposed to do that because that will give you big problem when it start to retrace. Okay, all right, so then again, that is how I actually console all my planning into my 5 pips trading. So again, people ask me, so what are you, where is your actual entry point, you see? All right, so let me share with you. Since I'm a seller, the simple concept over here, always wait for the price to retrace upwards and to hit your resistance. Then you start to look out for your trigger point. Well, which price to look out for a trigger point? Everyone has a different trigger point. Everyone enter into the market at different timing. Am I right? Okay, so please make sure one thing is that whatever you learn from whatever school, whoever the teacher is all useful. They are all profitable. Okay, it's a matter of how you enter. All right, did you identify correctly? Did the entry comes after the resistance? All right, once it hits on the resistance, start to look for entry. Okay, so that will be a good entry for you. All right, so now since I know that this is the resistance, then I want to look out for my entry. And after I enter, do I just set 5 pips of take profit? Yes, you just set 5 pips of TP to get this 5 pips trading going on. All right, so how about, Eric, where is the stop loss? Well, it's very simple, correct? So if you have entered at the resistance, all right, so let me tell you, if it retraces back and break the resistance, does that mean to say the resistance cannot hold the price? The price will still going bull. Am I right? So that will be the time you start to set your stop loss and start to take away whatever losses, okay, and close the trade. That's all. All right. So you have to accept losses at times that it happens. But if you have practiced enough and you are very well versed in the identify the trading market and resistance in the bear market, I guess you will be able to make it very sharp in your 5 pips trading. Alright? Okay, so today I'm going to share until here. In my next video, we will be going more in depth with my 5 pips trading into the chart so that I can show all of you in tune with this concept. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, ring up the bell so that you can get a notification, and as well to give me a thumbs up, a like, and also leave your comments below, alright, and leave your questions below so that I can answer to your specific questions so that you will get the picture clearer and join in the fun of taking 5 pips trading. Alright guys? Okay, so again, I would like to invite all of you into my Forex trade planning, GMT +8 daily, 13 hours, between 13 hours to 13:30, I will go live to share with you my planning for the day, what are the currency pair that I will be focusing on, and as well where's the resistance that I'm going to short for my 5 pips trading. Okay, alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. I shall see you in the next video. See you again guys. This is Eric Tay from ACS Learning Hub. See you.